Welcome back, everybody. I have another video for the bloggers out there, or if you want to get into blogging, as a real quick tip. If you want to timestamp your blog post, and timestamp simply means you want to schedule your blog post to go out in the future. So you have blog posts for today, you have one going out tomorrow, one going out 2 or 3 blog posts going next week, next year. It doesn't matter. You can always if you create like 3 or 4 blog posts, you can set them out to go out every day or every other day, so you don't have to waste time blogging every day. And my advice to new bloggers or current bloggers, you want to create a cushion of blog posts. You want to go ahead and create about 10 blog posts, and wherever your frequency is, pick your frequency you want to blog every day, every other day. What I do is, where my time is, working all the time, I do blog posts every other day. So every other day, a blog post be on the blog, new and live. So pick the frequency. You want to do 2 times a day. The more blog posts you post, the more traffic you get. That's the secret of blogging. So you post once a week, you're not getting as much traffic as if I post every other day, or a small post every day. They'll get more traffic. Somebody do 2 blog posts a day, they'll get more traffic. So it's kind of like whoever posts more content will get more traffic, because you get more new, fresh. Google likes fresh content. Google likes fresh stuff on blogs. So you update yours frequently, you get more traffic. With that said, you want to use a timestamp feature, which you can timestamp it. And timestamp feature, it will always be on your right hand side. This is my last video. I did the how to put a video in your blog post. So your blog post can be a video, but here you want to go to edit, and this is a timestamp. It's a little calendar. It says schedule for February 12th or the 21st. You could change in here. You can change the date to whatever date you want. You put in the 31st or whatever, and you can put next year. You can put in 3 years, and you set the time. The time is the military time, and then whatever time you want, the date and the month. You hit OK, and well, it will say publish. Update or hit publish on it, but if you hit, it will say publish, and it will tell you, hey, this will be published on this day, schedule. Okay, so that's one way to save you time. You don't have to keep creating blog posts every day. You can create 5 blog posts at one time and post it however your frequency is every day, and you have 5 days to not create no blog posts. That's my advice. That's why I've been learning, and I've been seeing good results with timestamping. So, like, if you have a busy weekend, or you're planning on going out of town or going on vacation for a week, go ahead and schedule your blog post to go out while you're on vacation. That's a good thing about making money online, is everything's automated. You could be on vacation, or you and your wife or the kids go out of town for the weekend, and your blog post will go out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It will go out each day, however time you want it, so you don't have to keep hitting the button and let the traffic come on in. So this is another tool I use for my blog. I hope you use it. That's all for this video. If you please, I encourage everybody to help me out. Subscribe to my channel. I do money making videos, blog videos, weight loss products. I do Cody videos. I don't know how to use Cody, how to install Cody in your Fire Sticks. I do tutorials as well. But I have also created an ebook to help people make money online. But I call it the Big 3. The Big 3 pillars of making money online. And these 3 ways will guarantee to make money online. So that's my ebook. Please download it. I appreciate you download the video. I appreciate you subscribe to my channel, share my videos, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Something you want me something you want me to do a video about. Most of my videos tell you, if you anything you want to make a video about, a question about, I have no problem doing the homework and come on the video. This is Tyrone from wordpress.org, and thanks for watching. Peace.